Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing an important topic for homeowners: identifying the signs of a mold problem inside your home. Mold can be a serious issue that affects both the health of your family and the integrity of your house. Let's start by looking at some visual examples of what mold growth might look like. Mold can appear as discolored patches on walls, ceilings, and even on furniture. Keep an eye out for spots that are black, green, brown, or even white. Another common sign of mold is a musty odor. If you detect a persistent, earthy smell in your home, it might be an indicator of hidden mold growth. Even if you can't see the mold, the smell could be a clue that it's lurking somewhere. Mold growing in your home can trigger allergic reactions in some individuals. If you or your family members suddenly experience symptoms like sneezing, coughing, itchy or watery eyes, and even skin rashes, mold might be the culprit. Mold thrives in damp environments. If you've had water leaks, flooding, or areas with high humidity, you could be at risk for mold growth. Keep an eye on areas such as basements, bathrooms, and kitchens. Mold can cause materials like paint and wood to peel, bubble, or warp. If you notice these changes in your home, it could be a sign that moisture and mold are damaging the structural integrity. If you suspect a mold problem but aren't sure, it's best to call in a professional to conduct a mold assessment in your home. They have the expertise and tools to detect mold growth, even in hidden areas. To prevent mold growth, ensure your home has proper ventilation, especially in bathroom areas. Use exhaust fans in bathrooms and kitchens, fix leaks promptly, and maintain indoor humidity levels below 50%. Regular cleaning and inspections can go a long way in preventing mold growth. By being vigilant, you can protect your family and home from the potential dangers of mold associated with water damage. Remember, taking action to detect and prevent mold growth in your home are keys to maintaining a healthy indoor environment. Thank you for watching.